how to make how to make money with Google admob. Google admob your app and your privacy policies.com. Admob your app and your privacy policy. So you have finally finished building your lovely new app, and it's ready to be unleashed on a smartphone and tablet users everywhere. Your app is everything you hoped it would be because you done everything you could to ensure its integrity, effectiveness, relevance, and smooth operation. But if cost or not somehow recovered, you can kiss your career as a developer goodbye. So, how can you monetize your app while keeping it complete with legal and third-party requirement? Number one, making money from a free app with admob. Number two, admob privacy policy requirements. Number three, updating your privacy policy. But for a few good examples. Number five, four tips. There are basically four main to make money from an app these days. Number one, charge people to download it. Number two, let people download it for free but later charge them for other features. Number three, sell products from the app. Number four, let people download it for free with all its extra features but sell advertising space on your app. Making money from a free app with admob. Just go to admob and create an account. Say which kind of platform your app is built for, e.g. Windows, Android, iOS, etc. Once you have created your account, you can download the software development kit SDK, which you then integrate into your app. Once that's done, ads from businesses will immediately start appearing in your app. It's that simple. जी बिल्कुल सर इस तरह से
admob
काफ़ी ज़्यादा
also
केस
gives
आते हैं you
लोग स्कैम
access
कर
to
देते हैं
Google Analytics to help you see which improvement to your app might approve the best use of your time and money. Before you start thinking that this whole paradigm gives away too much of your power and control, hold your horses. You retain control of how can advertise on your app. Do you belong to beat ads for cost, or you gun control lot now. No one adds in is your app created to promote tranquility. Just say no to ads for screamo music. Simple, but by building this advertising platform into your app, you allow it to earn and revenue from a network or even a network of networks of advertisers who will sign on with Google to purchase advertising space on apps, including yours. If your app hosts ads relevant to its users, they'll click on those ads to find out more. The more clicks your app receives, the more money you make. And more privacy policy requirements. admob offers your business an opportunity to grow if you are willing to comply with its terms of service. Note that admob is governed by the AdSense terms of services as part of Google's mobile ads SDK
सर वो
terms of service.
डिस्प्ले सेटिंग करनी थी
Once of the
जी सर इंडेक्स पे आ जाए जरा
requirements of the terms of
अपना इंडेक्स
service
नंबर बताएं सर
agreements is that developers
सर
have a
माशाल्लाह अच्छी ट्रैफिक आज तो
clearly,
फिर आपने पोस्ट की है
clearly labeled and easily accessible
सर हमको मोटिवेशन के लिए बस ये बता
privacy.
दिया कर आप टारगेट जिस कीवर्ड को कर रहे
If
हैं
your client's information will be collected by a third party
सर
that
ये
you
45,000 ट्रैफिक से
integrated
हमको
into
एक
your
एस्टिमेटेड कितनी अर्निंग बन
app,
जाती है इंडियन ट्रैफिक पे
such as admob, you are responsible. You are ensuring that your clients are aware of this ad, have the
सही
power to allow it or not.